Well, hiya, pals, it's Goofy here. Good morning to you all. It's really windy out here. It's a beautiful January morning, and we're recording a windstorm in the middle of winter. It's not like that October 8th storm when Mickey experienced that back on the 8th of October. Obviously, back like last year. Holy shit, it's real cold out here. Maybe it's not a good idea to be doing this, but why not? Why shouldn't we? We should not. It's weather for Pete's sake. Why? We should be here recording this. Yeah. Oh boy. This is really fucking windy out. Shit. Shit. Hell yeah. This is what I'm talking about. Damn, that flag's moving pretty fast. I know you can't see it, but it's pretty a lot. There's a lot of snow coming down the road right now. Sheesh. This is in the middle of January. And it's only the beginning of this fucking year, and we're already getting weird, good weather events. Well, technically, it's snow. Okay, I think I should get inside now. It's pretty fucking cold out. Thanks for watching, pals. Subscribe for more. See you guys later.